Aloha and welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for ROI payout, no trade recommendations. This is just my trade journal, and I'm going to take a look today on price action and charts that influence my trade plan and market thesis for March 2nd, 2023. Price action order flow levels, I'm going to give them below and above for Thursday. And the most important thing is the 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time news catalyst. We do have economic news going to be reported that will definitely catalyze price. So let's get to it. 24-hour chart. So here we are. We've got 25 handle range for this is March 2nd, Thursday, with an outstanding news item coming in at 8:30. The time right now is 5:41 Eastern Standard Time, and I've marked off the levels. So let's start with level number one here is 82.9 has already been hit, and that level is half of the wick of T+2 Friday. So back here, this long wick and this low of 74.2, half of this wick is 82.9, and that's a level. So if we can break this again on the news event, the question is, do we go back and break this low here? So I'm bearish on price below this 82.9. So as far as levels above, of course, I'm looking here for the T+2 close level. That comes in about 1891. Next level above it would be the day prior, and that's half of the candle wick, and that comes in at 93.6. So this is really the level that I'm shooting for between now, as I make this video, until the end of initial balance. Whether we have the rocket fuel and the desire to get this, we'll see. But 93.7 is my high. Now, if we keep going higher, can we make it to the doji level of the close of 1900? We could, because it's such a big range already in Globex. And again, we're 24, 25 handles already. But that's as far as I'm willing to go here on the 24-hour. Let's go to the next chart on the 60-minute. 60-minute chart, you can see we've got a lot of candle wicks below this 83.2, and the low so far in Globex 79.8, and we go back again to last Friday, the 24th, and you can see the bodies of the candles this corresponds with. So I like that. That doesn't mean we can't go here and go below 75 and breach lower, but right now, this is a level I'm watching very closely, 79 and change. As far as above, this is the first level. If we're going to get any bullish action above, this would come in right around the new week open gap between 90.50 and 91.4. And above that, again, 93-ish, but this is the first hurdle. These are the levels on the 60-minute. Next chart, 15-minute. 15-minute, this is my ride or die chart. So here we are. You can see this yellow box. This is the bearish fair value gap. So I love this right here because we go up to a 94.8 on the high, and we've got in the 1889.50 on the low. So this is where price action needs to revisit. The question is, it going to do it before or after the 8:30 catalyst news event? So above that, again, we've got the new day opening gap on the first of the month way up here, and that's a 98.8 to 1900. So definitely, if the market gets legs in the RTH, we could go up here. And here is the new week open gap, and again, that's coming in right in the lower quadrant, maybe you could call it, of this bearish fair value gap. There you have it. You can see the lows here on these floors. So this floor down here is 1882.90. So again, that's a level. We've already talked about that. So I'm liking the deltas here on the order flow, minus 318. And you see here a lesser delta of minus 38. So looks to me like we're going to trend up to the new week open gap no matter what. And the volume weighted average price here from this bar, and there's no significance other than this is the top of the hour bar, which is an hour after Europe Open, that comes in at 92.50. So that's a level I'm really looking at hard. If we reach it right before the news event, then yeah, I would like to see that happen because it's in this yellow box zone. So that's a wrap for the 15-minute. Let's just go to the Renko real quick and see what's cooking there. The Renko. So here we are, Asia Globex. You can see we pivot up here, 1904 with a 229 delta. And we just go straight down after the Shanghai pivot all the way down to the lower Keltner blue with a minus 939. So that low delta is the biggest number we've had so far in Globex. And we pierce the lower Keltner, go back up above the Hama, but we don't hit the red, which is 1896. Then we go back down, visit below the Keltner for the duration. And this stays that way into the Europe Open. And you can see the Europe Open right here with this vertical line. We stay down there for a while, and we about 41 minutes into Europe, we go back up, visit the Hama. We change colors here for green. We go back down. Again, none of these downs, though, are equal to that minus 939. We're playing around with deltas of minus 263, minus 269. But we have higher lows. The red at 86.2, upper Keltner coming in right now at 94.9. So that's, again, a key level that I'm going to watch for. But I'm really looking for this 93-ish zone right here, this black dotted line, which is just above the new week open gap that we've already mentioned on the other chart. So that's a wrap for the charts and the price action. Beware, again, of the news catalysts and what happens. Thanks again for watching. And if this has helped in any way and you're not already subscribed, please do. Aloha, take care.